find out the Arudas. So here, this is the chart of a person born on 8th September 1949 at 20:05 hours. The longitude is 82 East 01 and latitude is 16 degrees North 34. So here you see the Janma Lagna or the ascendant is Mena or Pisces. Here Rahu is in Pisces and Moon also is here. Mars is in Cancer or Karkataka. Saturn in Simha or Leo. Sun also is in Leo. Then Mercury, Ketu and Venus are in Kanya or Virgo. Libra and Scorpio are vacant and Jupiter is in Sagittarius or Dhanus. So here let us start with the Lagna Rudha or A1. Find out where the ascendant is. Here ascendant is in Pisces. Lord of the ascendant is Guru or Jupiter. Where is Jupiter? How many signs is away from the Lagna? You count from Lagna to Jupiter. How many signs are there? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, Lord of the Lagna Jupiter is 10 signs away from the Lagna. Now you count 10 signs from the Lord of the Lagna to arrive at the Aruda Lagna or Pada Lagna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Virgo is Aruda Lagna or Pada Lagna. We will indicate it as A1. So A1 is marked in Virgo or Kanya. Now come to the second house. Second house is Aries or Mesha. Lord of Aries is Mars, Kuja. So see number of signs. Mars is away from the second house, that is Aries. Count from Aries only, not from Lagna. Aries second house. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Lord of the second house is 4 signs away from the second house. Count 4 signs from Mars. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Tola, Libra is the Aruda of the second house and it is indicated as A2. Come to the third house. Third house is 1, 2, 3. Third house is Taurus or Vrishabha. Lord of Taurus is Venus or Shukra. Venus is here in Kanya along with Mercury, Ketu, Venus. So see the number of, count the number of signs between the third house and third house and the Lord of the third house. Third house is 1, 2, 3 counted from the Lagna. Third house Vrashabha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is in the fifth house from the third house. So count 5 signs from the Lord of the third house, Venus. The fifth sign will be the Aruda of the third house. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is A3 and this is called Bhratru Pada or Vikrama Pada, Aruda of the third house. Now come to the fourth house. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth house is Gemini. Lord of Gemini or Midhuna is Bodha or Mercury. See where Mercury is. Mercury is in Kanya. He is how many signs away from the fourth house? 1, 2, 3, 4. Count 4 signs from Mercury. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is marked as A4. This is Vahana Pada or Matrupada because the fourth house is called Matrusthana or Vahanasthana. So, Aruda of the fourth house is Vahanapada or Matrupada. Aruda of the fifth house. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth house from Lagna is Karkataka. Lord of Karkataka is 9 signs away from Karkataka. Again, 9 signs counted from moon is Vrishika. This is the Aruda of the fifth house. This is represented as A5. This is Putra Pada because it is the house related to children. Fifth Pada or Putra Pada, or this is also called Mantra Pada. Mantra Pada means mantra anusthana or devotions. Then Madha Pada is a house of intellect. This is A5. Come to the sixth house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sixth house is Simha. Lord of Simha is Sun. Sun is there in Simha itself. So Simha itself is A6 or Shatrupada. I repeat it. The sixth house from Lagna is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lord of the sixth house, Simha, is Sun. Sun is placed in the sixth house, Simha itself. So, Simha alone becomes the Aruda of the sixth house, or this is called Shatrupada or A6. Come to the seventh house. Seventh house is 1, 2, count the houses always from the ascendant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The seventh house is Kanya. Lord of Kanya is Mercury. Mercury is in Kanya itself. So, the Lord of the seventh house is in seventh house. So, seventh house itself becomes the Aruda of the seventh bhava. This is called Dara Pada, the Pada representing or Pada signifying how marriage and wife. This is written as A7. Come to the eighth house. Eighth house is from Lagna is Tula. So, from Tula, where is the Lord of Tula? Lord of Tula is Venus. He is here. Venus is in Kanya. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. He is in the 12th house from the 8th house. So, again 12th house from Venus is Simha. This is A8. This is Ashtama Pada or Mrityu Pada. Come to the 9th house. From Lagna. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9th house is Vrishchika. Lord of Vrishchika is Mars, Kuja. He count the number of houses between Vrishchika and Mars. Mars is here in Karkataka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. He is in the 9th house. Count 9 houses from Karkataka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, Mena. So, Mena is the Aruda of the 9th house. It is called Bhagyapada. Bhagyapada is A9. Then come to the 10th house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th house is Sagittarius or Dhanus. Lord of Dhanus, Sagittarius is Jupiter. He is in Dhanus only. So, Dhanus itself is the Aruda of the 10th house. It is called Rajyapada or Vrittipada or Nurupapada. This is represented as A10. Come to the 11th house. The 11th house is Makara. Lord of Makara is Saturn. Saturn is here in Simha. From Makara, count the number of signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again 8th sign from Saturn is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is Meena. And this is, what is the Aruda of this? This is 11th house. This is represented as A11. Come to the 12th house. 12th house is Kumbha. 12th house from the ascendant is Kumbha. Lord of Kumbha is Saturn. Count the number of signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, Saturn is placed in the 7th house from Kumbha. Again, count 7 houses from Simha. 1, 2. Saturn is in the 7th house from Kumbha. And count 7 signs from Saturn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is called the Aruda of the 12th house. And this is not called as A12. This has a special name and it has a special purpose. So this is called Upapada. Upapada Lagna or Upapada. This is not called A12 or Aruda of the 12th house. Its special name is Upapada. So now we have learnt how to cast the Aruda chakra.